Morning, Dan. Sam here again. I'm going to show you me putting this Dryzone plaster on again. So watch and learn. So that's consistency. Dryzone plaster. It's gritty, like other plasters. You can put it straight onto a wall without damping it down. But you have to make sure that it's brushed down and all looses off and debris and everything's off. So it's a bit awkward here because I've got a switch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plaster onto this bit here and whip my way around. Just I don't want any to drop in. Normally I have a thing across, a piece of tape across, but you think I can't be asked to go down and get it. So actually, I'll do this bit first because you know I like to go from right to left. That's why for backing, that's how I've been learned. So that's what we do. I'm going to have a top of socket, and then I'm just going to go a little shake and then into the top bit. Get on toilet trowel, put it in there like that. There again. Just a shack. All you want to do is get a thin coat on. So first coat is just thin, really thin. It's not really good stuff to use for your first coat, especially if walls got hollows in. Now apparently what you're supposed to do is go around filling all holes in. But practically it's not viable to do doing that. So if you're a good plasterer you can fill them in as you're going along, like me. Yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to make it so I've got something to pull back onto all the time. A bit like with renders and sand and cement. Always pull back onto something. And again, you're only trying to get a thin coat on to start with. And then that'll be keyed up. And then once that first coat's pulled in a bit, we can put a second thicker coat on. Any bits that you get on for, you just scrape them back up. we've got that bit on. It's low down at the bottom, as low as that. I can go without touching floor. And now we can I'll let James have a go. Here, James. Right, so what I want you to do is that bit.
Yeah.
Onto the, like I said, a thin coat. Right, one there. So James has not used this before, but he's done plastering before. So we'll see how he goes on with this. I've been doing it 40 odd years, so don't electrocute this end. Don't touch that. And there he goes back on his send. That's good, that. Yeah. If James goes up in with sparks coming out of the head because he's touched plug socket, that'll be a lesson learned. So there you go. James is getting hang of that. We're going to get a first coat on. He did well there to say we're under pressure from me, because if they don't do it right, I shout at them. He's going to get that first coat on. We're going to let it pull in a bit, we're going to scratch it up, and then beauty of this stuff is we can add a bit of water to that, and I'll put second coat on it. It don't go off really quick, so there'll be plenty of time to knock that up and put a second coat on, roll it up. It's not going to take long. We'll be done for round about dinner time, so probably do a video tomorrow just before I start skimming, and I'll just show you how hard it is. Damp Sam signing off. Please subscribe.